So the post you don't think is going to be in the way.
I'm not worried about the post. I'm more worried about
You're worried
the
about this big white
the
pine.
white pine.
that won't throw a shadow.
But we purposely put it here so that all of this there is not by the white pine,
Yep.
and we'll be hitting that. And then in the afternoon, when the sun's past the white pine, all of that will hit.
Yeah.
So
yeah, and it is. How much bigger is this solar panel than the one they wanted us to buy?
It is 10 times larger than the usual size.
And
it is well, the maximum is 30 watts, and this is 100 watts. So we're using a solar controller to reduce how many volts, I guess, are going out of it. So it keeps the battery charged and doesn't blow out any of the other electronics.
But because it's so much bigger than what they're recommending, it should.
That's my
capture
theory.
more
Plus, we got
sunlight.
the big deep cycle battery.
Right.
And that's 50 or 60 amp hours instead of 7 to 14. So as we said all along, we're continuing the over engineering because we really don't want to be out here in the middle of a blizzard messing with the electronics. We just want it to open up.
Right.
When you hook up a charge controller, you want the battery hooked up to the charge controller before solar. So you can either do it in the pitch black like we are doing, or you can drape something over the solar panel, or if you look up there, I actually have them disconnected right now because I didn't want any issues.
What happens if you hook the solar panel up first?
It can blow out your charge controller because then it's getting all of the current into the charge controller and it's not yet turned on because the charge controller automatically turns on when you hook it up to the battery. So if you swing around, you can actually see.
Okay, I'll come around. Hold on.
You can see it's got 0 volts, 0 amps because nothing is on. And then it should also show kilowatt hours, and it's showing that our battery is full, and it's got 13.0, 13.1 volts, and you can see the temperature gauge is working. You can see that it's basically at freezing. Yep. All right. It's working.